Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to K2 Blogging, and today we are going to see how you can fix the checkout page in your WooCommerce store. So recently I got a comment that my checkout button is not working. How I can fix that? So in most cases your checkout page is corrupted, or if it is deleted from your website, then the checkout page won't work. So here you can see, if you click on the proceed to checkout button, then it is opening. But if I go to the website and let me go to pages, and here I need to delete the checkout page, so let me do that. All right, now the page is deleted. Let me refresh this page. As you can see, the checkout page is not working now, so we need to restore the checkout page. So for this, let's go to pages and let's go to trust, and you need to restore it. Let's go click on all, and you need to publish the page as well. Let's update it. Now let's go to cart and let's click on proceed to checkout, and as you can see, the checkout page is now working. So you can either restore the page from your trust, and if it is permanently deleted, then you can create a new page as well. So let me click on delete it first, and let's go to trust and let me delete it permanently. Now if the page is permanently deleted from your site and there is no draft here, makes you to check that as well. Just click on add page, and let's add the page title to checkout, and let's click on plus, and we need to add a short code. So let me search for short code, and you can simply search for checkout short code for WooCommerce, like this. Now you can find the short code here. So let me click on here, and here is the short code for checkout. So let me copy this, and by the way, I will include all the short codes for WooCommerce in the pinned comment, so make sure to copy that, and let's paste it and let's hit publish. Now you can make sure to check the page URL as well. So you can see checkout, and if there is already a page with the same name checkout, then you may see checkout too. So make sure to remove all the checkout page before creating a new one. Now let's go back. Let's click on the cart button. Let's click on proceed to checkout, and it is not working. So we need to select the checkout page. So for this, what I can do is I will click on dashboard. Just go to WooCommerce and click on settings, and here click on advanced, and here in the checkout page, just search for that checkout page you have created. Here it is, checkout ID. So this is the page ID. Let's save changes. So if I go to cart, click on proceed to checkout, then the checkout will now work. So this is how you can fix the checkout page in your WooCommerce store. So make sure to delete it from trust, and if it is already deleted from the trust, then you can create a new page with this short code I have provided in the pinned comment. Your problem will be solved. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.